Hi, I'm Andrea Brundage with Simple Organized Solutions. Today I'm sharing some tips on meal planning. Oftentimes my clients will ask me, gosh, how do you get it all done? How do you cook for your family and keep up with a busy schedule? Well, the thing is you have to plan ahead and you want to overcook early in the week. So perhaps you want to cook 4 chicken breasts this Sunday instead of 2, and then what you'll do is create meals around those leftovers. You can do the same with vegetables. You can cut them up for snacks. You can actually roast a pan of vegetables that can be used later in the week for lunch, or perhaps as side dishes for another meal. The goal is always to make it as simple as possible. We know it's easy to pull through a drive-thru, but we can actually make cooking in our homes simple as well. Shopping is going to require a detailed list, and this is where you're going to do your planning. If you can get your family on board, you're going to want to have them start putting things on here that they'd like to have on the menu next week as well. If you follow these simple planning tips, you will not ever worry and stress over what's for dinner.